हिट कॉकरोच हिट ये उसके समर्थक भाई साहब कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा। काला हिट अरे काला हिट
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
I'm here, of course, to stand in solidarity with the youth, the children who are actually genuinely, at some point I was, hesitant, that's politically motivated, but that's not important. The important point is that the kids are here who are actually suffering. I mean, this is the state of education that we've landed up. We've all studied here. I've grown up here. We've been defense services children. We've been in the most, common schools, the ordinary schools, and yet, we studied well. And what have we come to? The digitalization doesn't mean that we're going backwards, and it's costing children their career. As a mother of 22-year-old girls, I feel that pain. I know I've seen through it that how children suffer. That was the first batch when my children gave the CUET exam, and the results didn't come until January. They were left wondering when they went in for the exam. There was no provision for keeping your phones or even there were children who were traveling, whole night with a 100-rupee note in their thing. They didn't know where to put. So, problems simple, administrative problems. And this digitalization should not be a burden for the children. This needs to be, if you can do it, do it. Otherwise, please get back. And, I don't know why we are copying the West and all when we can't do it, because we have the human resource. We have a wonderful human resource that needs to be trained, and a trained human resource is way ahead of digitalization or AI, etc. You must use it, but you bring it when you know that you are absolutely confident. You cannot play with the careers and the lives of the children. It's heartbreaking to see. I cannot even get that image off my mind of a young girl who's lost her life because she said she can't give her exam again. It's true. There's too much hard work, too much at stake, and I don't think the government. I refuse to believe that the politicians don't feel that pain. But why are they not showing it? Why are they not coming forward now to correct this? Why are the people who are responsible for this not in jail? No transfers, no penalties. Someone needs to be accountable. That is why, whether it is environment, whether it is education, whether it is health, whether it is a construction, things falling apart, whether it is a fire, unless somebody will not go to jail or is not prosecuted, nothing is going to change in the country.